Alright, y'all. So I ain't gonna care, man. I made this cooking video on like Sunday of this week. Like, what is that? Like the 30th or the 1st, somewhere off in there. I made this cooking video on that Sunday, man. And honestly, truth, the honest truth, y'all. I screwed this recipe up so bad, man. And like I've been sitting on this video for like 6 days, and I was like, bro, should I post this out? Because I really fucked it up. And like today, I went shopping with my mom, and I was telling her about it. I was like, I think I'm still posting. She was like, well, baby, post it because shit, like you gotta show you mess up too. And I was like, damn, I suppose. But I ain't gonna cap y'all. I ain't want to show y'all this video because I didn't do the recipe right. But I was like, I talked to my mom, and she was like, just do it. So this is the reason you guys are getting to see this cooking video. Hopefully a part of it makes you laugh because y'all trying to fix this meal, y'all. I screwed up like royally, man. That shit was funny as fuck, but I was like, damn, I can't have no woman over here and not know how to make this recipe. So I was like, dang it. But then I'm gonna let y'all watch it. Y'all tell me what y'all think, man. This is water. Y'all tell me what y'all think, man. I had fun making it, but y'all I ain't gonna cap. Just watch it. Hey yo, welcome to the show, you guys. In today's episode, we're getting a little psychedelic. I'm kidding, but we are doing shrooms. So keep it locked. I got something special for you. Love. You guys, man, we got a very special episode for you guys, but of course we got to do it and we got to start it off right. So today's wine right now, you guys, we working with is something from Snoop D-O-double-G. You know what I'm saying? It's Snoop's Cali Rose, man. I haven't had it. I was excited when I was in the store and I saw it. I was like, you know what? Let me support black-owned businesses and go ahead and pick it up. So let's start there. Yes. Your girl just came off of her Daniel fast, no cap. I fasted for like 12 to 14 days. It was cool, man. But so cheers to that. Okay. It's not real sweet and it's not real bitter. It's a fine medium. I like that. Oh, you're supposed to sniff it and all of that. Hold up, let me get real bougie. And you know, oh, this is nah. I know about that shit, but I ain't gotta do all that shit. Alright, you guys, so we got the wine poured up. We're gonna have a cup and a half of mushrooms, starting it off with. Your girl got some organic baby bella mushrooms from the store. I got those, man. And I also got some portobello mushrooms. Yeah, the big caps. I'm gonna do another video on that. I ain't gonna get too much off into it, but I'm gonna definitely do another video with those. Portobello mushrooms is the one that look like a hat. Those are weird, but that's what they are. Portobello mushrooms. I believe that's what they call. This is a cup. So we need a cup and a half. A few more. Cup and a half. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, baby, that's huge. That's what she said. I don't know, but it might be though. It might be. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Un momento. Garlic powder. I know we got some in somewhere. There we go. Teaspoon, baby. Teaspoon. Alright, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Yeet! Let me go ahead and put it on the big side. Alright. Teaspoon. Boom. Got it in there. Alright. 2 cloves of garlic chops. Okay. I got this from Sprouts, man. I went to Sprouts. I ain't been to Sprouts in a minute. I was like, damn, this is cool. So I'm in the Sprouts. But anywho, how many? Just two. Okay. Oh, these smell weird. Okay, I'm gonna use those two. Put that one back. I might use that one anyway. I'm gonna do it right. All right, 1 teaspoon. Chop them up. I'm gonna add another one. Yee! I'm gonna add a small one because that doesn't look like a lot. Being hard-headed, but I like garlic too, so we'll see how this goes. Got it off in there. Let me see. What's next? 1/4 cup of parsley chop. Now I got some fresh parsley. See, yes, we got the fresh parsley, baby. Now to put this shit in a cup. You know what? I'm hard-headed. So this is probably a 1/4. It's probably too much. This is how much I'm using. I'm gonna chop this shit up, put it off in there. Cause I wanna know how it tastes. No stems at all inside of our parsley. Okay, it smells good though. Okay, parsley. I don't really cook with a lot of parsley, y'all, so it smells really good. I like it a lot. Shit. Okay, cutting up the parsley still. I am cutting it. I don't think it matters how you cut it. That's how I'm cutting it, if you can see. That's how I'm cutting it. Putting it off in there. Hey, it smells really good. Okay, I'm gonna cook the parsley more often because I like the way it smells. Just smells really good. Oh yeah, so I'm so scattered brain today, guys. It's been a chill day. It's a chill Sunday. I was supposed to do this video earlier, but I got sucked into family time with my family, and I wouldn't have it any other way. So it's a little later on in the day, but we still gonna get the recipe cooked and ready, prep, primed, and ready to go for you guys. Oh, this parsley smells so good. I like the way it looks too. Yeah, baby. All right, what's next? 2 tablespoons of olive oil. All right, love, I don't have olive oil. Battle. I got the grapeseed oil, baby. I think that'll be okay. I'm gonna do it as close as I can, but I am going to say I'm going to do it my way too. Bloop. That's probably enough. All right, love. Now, what's next? 2 tablespoons of olive oil, check. Salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to put a little better. I don't want to put a lot. I don't want to put a lot. I don't want to fuck it up. So, 2 shakes. Now, when you're in front of the toilet, 2 shakes. 2 shakes. 2 shakes of this salt, too. I'll put more later. Pero, for right now, that's the 2 shake method. We're gonna call that the 2 shake method, baby. Now, let me actually watch. Garlic powder, olive oil, salt, and pepper. See, I did it right. So I did it right. I'm the money, baby. You, cause I'm me. Anywho, so I'm supposed to mix this ingredients and put it on a lime pan. I already got the pan line ready to go. Okay, love. Okay. I do not think this is wet enough. I'll be honest. It don't look wet enough. I think it should be a little more wet. But I'm gonna be obedient because it's probably gonna get wet later. So we'll see. Pan is big as fuck. But yeet. Yeah. GB bowl for the clutch. Yeah. Alright, separate bowl. Cashew milk. 2.5. Yeah, 2.5 cups. Oh, that's not that much. Oh, 2.5, baby. I like this. I like this a lot. I love it. Ooh, okay, that's creamy. 2.5. Okay, it's in there. Okay, 2.5 of that. Cashew milk. Probably got the right cashew milk, but you know, we working, we doing what we can. A half cornstarch. The starch of corn. So, alright, open all of this, y'all. I just bought all of this. No cap, no lie. For this video. for the, oh no, for the visual. For the visual. Oh no, baby. Let me hold on. Oh no. Do that. I had to cut it. A little bit. Open sesame. Banana. Gracias. Alright. Ooh, I'm gonna fuck this up. How much she say? She said 1.5 tablespoons. I don't know why that was so dramatic. But is it like to the T? Like, you know what? We just gonna find out, babe. We just gonna find out, babe. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Alright. How much do I put in? How much do I put in? Fuck me. Really, how much do I put in? Oh, 4 tablespoons. Teaspoon. You know, this is honestly the same teaspoon and tablespoon I'm gonna use. I don't know if this is correct, but we gonna see. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm gonna put it a lot because I don't know if this is teaspoon or not. I ain't got that. I gotta get some more measuring cups and shit. Turn it in. Consistency change. Poquito, see? I don't know if I should use this cashew though. Oh, the pine nuts. Fuck me. Burn them bitches. Motherfucker. God damn it. Burn them hoes. Not all of them, but some of them. Majority of them. Majority of them was burnt. Fuck me. Oh, try again, Morisoka. Are these fine? Are these okay? Are these burnt? They probably a little burnt, huh? Should I use them? No. Thinking about it. Thinking about it. Preheat, add shallots. This is a separate bowl? Does it go on the veggies? Ooh, there's so many questions. Meanwhile, add spaghetti to boiling sauce. I mean, I'm gonna do that because I don't think I can fuck it up right now. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna add the spaghetti to the boiling water because I think that's just the next thing I should do. Okay, preheat pan over. Fuck me. Okay, does this go? What pan does this go in? I gotta get another pan? Why do I have to have so many pans? Alright, man, I took the mushrooms out. Got the the spaghetti on. Got the cornstarch and the nutritional yeast on. You know what I'm saying? When you fucking up, you gotta sit back on that a little bit and watch it like. You gotta sit back and watch that shit like, okay, no. You know what? This is some mid cooking, bro. Okay, I had to moisten. Yeah, that's probably some good juice. I'm gonna save some of that. It's probably some good juice. These are the sun-dried tomatoes I bought. I let them sit in some water because they were hard when I bought them. Yeah. Cause alright. I got those over it. I gotta put pan-dried sliced garlic, some more garlic. Oh, okay, past self. This is why we follow instructions, because we don't know if we put too much garlic now. Oh, this is cool, bro. Like, actually learning. Bro.
Lady, I don't know. Lady, go see, bro. I'm gonna do one more, just for good measure. Chopped up the garlic, love. It's chopped. It's chopped. It's chopped. It's chopped. It's screwed. Alright, next. I'm gonna have to clean my phone. Some dry tomatoes. Tomato paste to the pan? Fuck it. She said to do it. At this point. At this fucking point. Oh, man. Alright. Okay. Tomato paste. Oh, no. It's a mess. It's a mess. Tomato paste. Alright, here we go. Intuitive question. I'm thinking I'm supposed to sprinkle this over it. Oh, tomato paste. Oh, it's paste. Shit. Okay. So just the whole can? Do I do the whole can? How much is a can? Fuck. Me. How much is a tomato? 2 tablespoons. Okay. Well, goddamn it, I got that. Hey, on the money. All right. Now, fucking A. Now, tomatoes paste, pan, saute. Wait a minute. This not the pan I'm supposed to use? Oh, man. Oh, this not the pan I'm supposed to use, huh? Let's saute on medium heat. Fuck, I wasn't supposed to do that. Y'all saw me do this shit. I feel slow as fuck right now. I just hope this tastes a little bit like how it's supposed to. Like, I really do. Alright, y'all, I ain't gonna cap. Feels like the only thing I've done right is get the noodles together. Oh my god. Alright, y'all. Man, kudos to the chef, man. I don't even want to show y'all over here. I put all that shit in the pot. I was like, it's too many pots. It's too many pans. The directions are cool. They're a little confusing. Alright, y'all. I bought a microplane. Got to add the lemon zest in there. And some lemon to it. Just clean off the lemon because it's been places. Seen some things. Trying to salvage some bit of this video to make it seem like I knew what the fuck I was doing, and I absolutely have no clue. But it just gave me a lot more respect for the chefs out there, man. Like, seriously, y'all are fucking amazing. Alright, y'all. Bye. No, I'm playing. Alright, y'all. It's Lady Pistol coming for you mental like I tend to like to do. This was another episode of I'm Cooking, I Guess. And the I guess was extremely prevalent inside of this video because Jesus Christ. Alright, y'all. Y'all know to stay safe. Y'all know to stay blessed. And you know to stay sanitized, y'all. And until the next time, peace.